As you know, engine oil is a critical fluid for a vehicle, with its main role being the lubrication of moving parts. Other functions include cleaning, preventing heat buildup, and corrosion of the engine. One thing you should know about engine oil is that there are two types. These are synthetic oil and mineral oil. The former consists of artificially made chemical compounds, while the latter comes from natural sources. Synthetic oils are the most preferred as they function well in extreme temperatures. In this video, we touch on the 0W20 and the 5W20 discussion. Both synthetic oils attract car enthusiasts and mechanics' attention as they try to determine which of the two is the best. In this video, we'll compare 0W20 versus 5W20, focusing on their various attributes. Now, to get to the root of the debate, you have to know the difference between the two types of oils. One standout difference you'll notice is in their naming. The W denotes winter, meaning the two oils are ideal for use in cold temperatures. The two numbers refer to their viscosity in different conditions. The first number is the viscosity in cold temperatures, while the number following the letter is the viscosity in operating temperatures. The number and letter arrangement is per SAE grade standards, or Society of Automotive Engineers, which grades oils according to their thickness. For example, in the case of 0W20, the oil is suitable for use in cold temperatures. The 0 is the viscosity in low temperatures, while the 20 is the viscosity in operating temperature. The 0W20 is less viscous in low temperatures, which means it'll perform better than its counterpart. The two oils are of high quality and will also work in high temperatures, though not extreme temperatures. Many car manufacturers recommend the 0W20 and 5W20 due to their great performance in harsh weather conditions. 5W30 and 0W30 work better in high temperatures. When you decide to change motor oil from one type to another, you should look at the viscosity. It refers to the thickness of the oil at different temperatures. The thinner the oil in extreme low temperatures, the better it is, as it'll be more effective in functions like preventing friction. The 0W20 has a thickness grade of 0 in low temperatures, meaning it's very light. The 5W20 has a thickness grade of 5, which is also low, but not as light as 0W20. A look at the oil's flow in cold temperatures, both will flow freely, and the vehicle will move smoothly. However, 0W20 will flow better in extreme cold temperatures compared to 5W20. Engine oil grades refer to the viscosity grades. There are 11 viscosity grades starting at 0W to 25W, and then 20 to 60. The grades give you a hint of how the oil will function in different temperatures. The two oils are multi-grade, meaning they work in both cold and hot temperatures. 0W20 is at the 0W mark. It means it's an excellent pick if you live in cold areas. The 20 is for the operating heat. Following closely is the 5W20 motor oil, which also works well in cold environments. The values mean that the two oils will be less dense in low temperatures. This attribute makes them ideal choices as they will move freely within the engine block, helping in areas like heat dissipation and preventing friction. The 0W20, once again, has a lower grade, meaning in extreme cold conditions, it will perform better than the 5W20. 0W20 versus 5W20, which performs better. When looking at each of the oil's performances, you'll notice that they are almost similar. The 0W20 has a slight advantage when the temperatures are cold. The vehicle is easy to start as the oil will flow freely. Both of them have the same operating temperature. They can both work in high temperatures, but they have a limit. In summary, the 0W20 and the 5W20 bring their best in cold conditions. 0W20 versus 5W20 fuel economy is an area many people look to determine the best option. The truth is that when it comes to fuel economy, 0W20 and 5W20 again are very similar. While there might be a slight contrast in favor of the 0W20, both ensure that your fuel consumption is low. Their thinness translates to smooth and easy flow, ensuring that most engine parts move without any problem. As such, the engine needs less power to affect movement. An essential area to pay attention to is the price of the 0W20 and the 5W20. The prices may vary depending on the supplier, but in most cases, you'll find that the 0W20 is slightly more expensive than the 5W20. It's probably due to its top-grade efficiency in cold conditions. You'll also notice that these two multi-grade engine oils are more expensive than most monograde types. Despite having a hefty price tag, you get the best value for dollars spent. In closing, 0W20 and 5W20 are some of the most popular synthetic multi-grade engine oils. In this video, we've taken an in-depth look at these two oils to have a better grasp of their specifications and functioning. One thing you may realize is that both of them are high-quality oils that work better in cold conditions. 0W20 appears to be better in such conditions due to its low viscosity. It's suitable for smaller cars, while 5W20 works well with light fuel and some diesel engine vehicles like vans and SUVs. Pick the best among the two, keeping in mind the manufacturer's recommendations. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this one and it helped you in any way, please give it a like. And if you don't want to miss future videos, subscribe to the channel. Till next time, see you guys later.